Our project topic is detection of human fall using faster RCNN and Internet of Things. Especially in this time of pandemic, we have seen videos of people unconsciously falling at homes or even in the streets. If a person suddenly falls and didn't get medical treatment on time, it could lead to serious consequences as fracture, permanent disability, or even death may occur. So, in such cases, our system will detect the fall in real time and it will notify the relatives or nearby services for immediate medical attention. Our objective is to create a system which will be predicting human fall accurately and in real time using fastest approach available, that is faster RCNN algorithm, and to make this system cost efficient so that it will be available for hospitals as well as individual customers. The problem with traditional systems is that they use some sort of wearable device like smartwatch and that is connected to a smartphone, and for individual use it is expensive. So here in this system we are using deep learning approach to detect human fall. It can be used with any camera or even CCTV system.
Literature survey. First, detection of human fall on furniture using scene analysis based on deep learning and activity characteristics. This paper was published in 2018. It uses faster RCNN for fall detection. This is our base paper. Second, an improved faster RCNN for small object detection, which was published in August 2019. It uses new improved faster RCNN for object detection. Third, the faster RCNN towards real-time object detection with region proposal network, which was published in June 2017. It gives the study of region proposal network, which is one of the components in faster RCNN, a high reliability wearable device for elderly fall detection, which was published in 2017. Algorithmic approach used in this paper is hardware based approach for fall detection. We use this paper to evaluate our model with old models. Architectural diagram. It consists of three modules: scene analysis module, activity characteristic extraction module, and fall and ADL recognition. Scene analysis module is based on faster RCNN to obtain the information of locations and objects in a scene. In characteristic extraction module, all the characteristics are fed to the feature maps. The third part is fall and ADL recognition module. According to the features extracted from second part, this module uses an automatic decision engine and series of criteria to distinguish fall from ADL.
Initially, input images are taken from video and passed it to scene analysis. Then it is passed to component called region proposal network, which proposes different objects on the image. Then ROI pooling is performed to bring down all the proposals to the same size. Then these proposals are passed to fully connected layer to classify any predict the bounding boxes of the image. Step 2. Pass above results to activity characteristics extraction. Activity characteristics extraction extracts characteristics from above result. Then extraction passed to next module. Step 3. Extracted features are passed to fall and ADL recognition. Then extracted features are analyzed by automatic decision engine. And in step 4, if fall occurs, it calls respected authority. If not, then go back to step 1. System specifications. The software requirements of the system are operating system Windows 7 and above, languages used for implementation Python 3 or above, development environment PyCharm and Anaconda, database MySQL. Hardware requirements of the system are RAM requirement 3 GB and above, processor Intel Core i3 2 GHz and above.
Input and data sets. So we have used two types of data sets in our project. First one is a UR fault detection data set, which is available on net, whose link is given in the PPT. And second one are self-collected data sets. In UR fault detection data sets, there are number of images and videos to train our model, so the accuracy of our model can be increased. And second, the self-collected data set. In this, we have collected some self-collected videos and images, which is also given as a training dataset for our model.
Result. This is the user interface of our system. In this we have given input video and it is detected as fall. Next slide is result 2. This is the user interface of our system, in which there are two modules basically. First is train model, in which we can train the model by giving input videos to improve the accuracy of our model. And in second, we can give inputs to model to identify whether it is fall or not. We have used faster RCNN in our project for faster fall detection. It detects fall in 0.2 seconds. Aging is inevitable, whether it ends with no mild or severe pathology. It is always decent to age with good quality of life. To address this issue, we decided to implement a system which be cost effective and affordable. When a person enters in camera range, we will detect him and will start focusing on him. If we notice a fall of him, we will alert the neighbors and relatives. Next slide, references. These are the reference papers which we have referred for our project. Thank you.